how to delete pages in Word document. So if you have a blank document that you want to delete, for instance, in our case, we have these two pages, but we also have the third, which is blank. If you want to get rid of this here, you have to click on it and make sure that the cursor is there. As you can see, it's blinking. Then I'll press the backspace key and that blank page is deleted. That's one way to delete your blank pages in a Word document. The second way is where you come to view. When you click on view, you're going to see navigation pane. Click on that, you're going to see that you have the two pages on top which have the contents, but down here we also have one which doesn't have. To get rid of this, you can simply click on it and then you can press the backspace key. And so you just have two now. And sometimes you have the blank page as the first page in your document like this. So here we have this first blank page as the first page in this document. So to get rid of this, you have to click on the second page, then press the backspace key as well. And so that's going to get rid of that page. This is how you can delete pages in Word documents. These are the methods that I know. If you know some of the methods, please drop them in the comments. I'll be very happy to learn from you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.